Ever wondered how to find where a line crosses the axes? Today we're diving into finding intercepts for the equation 4x minus 6y equals 18. First, let's visualize what we're looking for. Here's our line on a coordinate plane. We're searching for where it crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. To find the x-intercept, we need to find where the line crosses the x-axis. At any point on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is always 0. So we substitute y equals 0 into our equation. 4x minus 6 times 0 equals 18. This simplifies to 4x equals 18. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x equals 4.5. Now, let's find the y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis, so the x-coordinate is always 0. Substitute x equals 0 into our equation. 4 times 0 minus 6y equals 18. This simplifies to minus 6y equals 18. Dividing both sides by minus 6, we get y equals minus 3. So our x-intercept is at 4.50, and our y-intercept is at 0, minus 3. These are the points where our line crosses the axes. And that's it! We found the x and y-intercepts for the equation 4x minus 6y equals 18.